The Tranya H10. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Tranya H10 Bluetooth headphones. They feature active noise cancellation. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C cable for charging, and an audio cable, and a storage case. The H10 features 24 hours of listening time. It has quick charge, so 10 minutes will give you 5 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, AAC aptX HD codec, button controls, USB-C for charging, active noise cancellation, and an ambient feature. The headphones feel very light and have a simple design. The ear cups swivel out and you can see the indicators inside. They also fold in for easier storage. Taking a look at the adjustments on each side, they click into place for each level. There is a good amount of travel as well. The headphones are flexible and you can see it here, so this should have no issues accommodating various head sizes. The outer face of the ear cups have a simple matte finish. On the left side, you'll find the following: the LED and USB-C charge port. On the right side, you have the ANC button and LED, volume controls and track controls, and auxiliary port. And on the back, you have the power and call controls button, LED, and microphone. The headphones weigh in at 231 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up a lot of friends, fill up the car to live best because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Tranya H10 microphone. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Tranya H10. They were comfortable and the ear cups had adequate padding. The headband was not too tight and it doesn't feel like it squeezes your head. As mentioned, it's light and very flexible. Build and quality is decent. Simple design all around, and it feels durable. Button controls are responsive and easy to navigate once you familiarize yourself with the placement. Battery life is fair, but would have liked to have seen a bit more on the usage as it comes in at 24 hours. I like the fact that it comes with a storage case. The ANC feature cancels up to 30 decibels of your surroundings. I found it to work okay and in line with many that I have tested in this price range. The ambient sounds did well in picking up the surrounding sounds when activated, and it worked with no issues. When cycling through the settings, you will hear a voice prompt to indicate what it's on. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in deep, punchy, and tight, and it doesn't sound boosted. It comes in accurate in my opinion. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and there was good separation. I found it to be very well balanced and a pleasant listening experience. Overall, I feel the headphones put out some solid sounds, and this is another good option if you're looking for budget headphones with ANC. So that is my review of the Tranya H10 Bluetooth headphones. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.